everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got my next 2 days worth of Posh. I was on vacation, so let's see if that affected how much sharing I did and how many sales that I had. All right, so let's just get right into it. Our first sale was a pair of Denzen from Levi's skinny jeans. I paid 50 cents at the Goodwill outlet for these. $2.05 is what my earnings were, and this is after shipping and after Poshmark fees, okay? So $2.05 were my earnings, so minus the 55 cents I spent, $1.55 are my total in-pocket earnings. Then I have this awesome tote. I actually still have another one of these, so if you're interested in it, go ahead and pick it up. I spent $3 on this out of a liquidation box. My earnings were $16, so $13 was my in-pocket profit just from that one tote. My next item is a pair of lace-up fleece boots. I spent $4 out of a liquidation box for these. They're still brand new with tags, never been worn. So $4, I made $25.60 out of off of those. So $4 minus the $25.60 is $21.60 on just those pair of boots. Super cute ones too. The next item is another pair of boots, dress boots. $4 is what I got. I paid for them. $7.05 are my earnings. $3.05 will be my in-pocket profit on those. I'm going to add up everything at the end and show you how many orders. This is 2 days worth of sales, just so you know. Then I have this robe that I sold, this red robe. $3.50 is what I paid for those, or $3 is what I paid for those. $11 was my earnings, and so 11 minus 3 is $8. My brain slowed down for just a minute, not too long. Alrighty, then my next item is a pair of universal thread asymmetrical slide sandals. $2 out of a liquidation box is what I paid for those. $14.40, so $12.40 are my in-pocket profits. I'm liking these larger double-digit numbers I'm seeing. My next thing that I sold is a pair of clogs, Mad Love slip-on clogs. $2 is out of a liquidation box is what I got those for. $4.25 are my earnings, so $2.25 are my in-pocket profit on those ones. My next item is a bundle, and you know that I love my bundles because I usually make a pretty good deal out of them. So I spent $1 on this hat, and then I've got 50 cents invested in this tank top and 50 cents invested in this tank top, and so I've got a total of a whopping $2 in this one. My earnings were $12, and so $10 is my in-pocket profit for those. If you're not used to seeing me in glasses, I usually do wear glasses and contacts, but I had to give my eyes a break today, so I have my glasses on. Alrighty, my next item is a pair of knee-high boots, a new day, new with tags, knee-high boots. Those were $3 out of a liquidation box. $11 is what I earned, so 11 minus 3, $8 is my in-pocket profit. If I make any math mistakes, please let me know in the comment section below. But check out my Posh store if you're interested in any of these cute items. All right, this is a Liz Claiborne V-neck sweater. It's blue and white, really, really cute knitted look. This I paid $1 for. My earnings were $4.25, so $3.25 is my in-pocket profit on those. You have seen these so many times, and I still have more sizes of these really cute silver mules. They were a big hit at Target at one time, and so those were $2 out of a liquidation box is what I paid for them. And $5.25 are my earnings, so $3.25 are my in-pocket profit just for selling those pair of shoes. Then the next thing I have is a really cute groovy Chico Platinum size 0 jeans. They have like some serious bling on the front of them. So those actually were a Goodwill outlet find for 50 cents. $8.05 is what I earned. And so $8.05 minus the 50 cents is $7.55 on just those pair of jeans. And they're very, very cute and in very good condition. The next item I have is this really gorgeous cross. I spent 65 or 50 cents on this, and I earned $1.05, and so my in-pocket profit was 55 cents on that cross. I've got a bunch more of those really cute. It's a Holy Land olive wood genuine mother of pearl cross. So I've got a bunch of those. And then I've got this. This I actually bundled myself. And so when I took the picture, I took a picture of the flip-flops because I knew the flip-flops won't sell just on their own. And so I put a very cute pair of turquoise earrings with them. And so total in-pocket pay, what I paid for this is about $2.50. $5.25 is my in-pocket earnings. So now I'm going to have difficult math. $5. So let me see, 525. So $2.75 is what I earned off of that. So that's actually a good idea. If you've got some lower end pricing items, you can go ahead and bunch them together as one listing. And so when they buy it, they get the whole set of things. And that makes some of those lower end items that you have a little bit more enticing. And so that just makes some of the things that you might not have thought about selling, you can sell a little bit better. 50 cents for this really cool mother of pearl white grid looking cross is what I paid for that. My in-pocket, my earnings were $3.05 minus the 50 cents. So $2.55 are my earnings on that cross, which I'm super excited about. The next item I have, and this is March. And I have sold a costume. So this is a brand new Flash Gordon kids costume. You never know if they're going to do a birthday party and stuff. And so a lot of people ask, do I hold on to seasonal things? No, I do not, because they still sell at weird random times. You never know what people are going to need. And you can't find costumes anywhere, any time of the year, except for online, maybe in my Poshmark store. And so I spent $2 out of a liquidation box for that particular costume. $14.40 is what I earned. So $12.40 are my in-pocket profits for that one. Let me see. The next item I have is a pair of children's toddler shoes. Now, I have said in the past I don't sell very many kids things, but in this case I did. So I have been picking up a few new with tags kind of children's things. So this was $2 out of a liquidation box. $4.25 is what I earned on that. So $2.25 are my in-pocket profits. The next item I have, of course, is another bundle. I have got, it's a bundle of 4 items. So I've got a really pretty sterling silver men's 10.5 spinner ring. It has love on it, and so the band is stationary, and then the middle part spins with the word love. I've also got these for sale on my hookedonpickin.com store, so check that out if you want to see it. I even have gold and silver ones, and then ones that say Jesus as well. So check those out. So this I paid $1 for, and then I've got a pair of jeans, or this is a jeans skirt. My phone went to sleep. A jean skirt that I paid 50 cents for, another dress that I paid 50 cents for, and a pair of jeans that I paid $1 for. So I've got $1, $2, and $3 total invested in this bundle. I made $15.64. Why they have to put a weird number on it, I don't know. $15.64, and so that would make $12.64 is my profit. I think it's a weird fees shipping discount option that we got going on there, which is the weird kind of thing. And then the last thing that I have sold in these last 2 days worth of Posh is a very, very cute pair of SnowTech women's knee-high riding boots with a really cool nifty emblem on them. They were $4 out of a liquidation box. $11.80 is what I spent on them. So $7.80. So as you notice, usually when I do these what's sold on Poshmark, I have a column here, and then usually a start of a column here. So I obviously didn't sell as many things this time, but I was traveling for 2 days going to the bulk warehouse, which is why I've got so many pallets in my warehouse right now, which I'll do unboxings for. But when you don't share and stay active on the Poshmark app, it definitely affects your sales directly. So if you're not selling anything, that might be why. So I'm going to add all these up and find out what did I sell in these 2 days worth of Poshmark sales, and then how many actual sets of orders did I actually get. All right, so I have added everything up, and it came to 19 separate orders that I did in these 2 days worth on Poshmark. and it came to $134.84. So still not too bad. I like to be over $100 in sales on Poshmark. And remember, that's after the fees, after all the shipping, after I pay myself back, then I get to pocket $134.84. So not too shabby for 2 days worth of sales on Poshmark. So hopefully this has been helpful in knowing what you can sell on Poshmark and about what price that you actually make earnings at. Thanks, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.